In this video, I'll show you how to make chapters in Google Docs. So go to your browser, then search for Google Docs. Then sign in. After signing in, you can click on blank document or you can use any template. Here you can see formats. Click here. Then paragraph styles. Then you can edit any of the headings. Click on update heading 1 to match. Then again click on formats and paragraph styles. Then again on options. From here click on save as my default styles. Click here. And yes, that's how you can make chapters in Google Docs. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.